Hi, thanks for willing to share your experience by reviewing your recruitment agency so that other workers can find more information for their recruitment option. We believe that the best advisor for workers' recruitment is other workers who have the recruitment experience like you. You are one of our recruitment advisors. Here is how you can review your agency. First, select the country and the country where you work, and then you can select Add an agency and write down the name of your agency. Click Submit, and then you can change the language and fill in the questionnaire. And please write down your recruitment experience here so other workers can read it. And if you have an activity code, please insert here. If you want to follow your review, you can put your email. Otherwise, you can immediately click Agree the term and condition and click Post. Your review is now online, and we thank you for your contribution.